If you're serious about turning your garage into an organized, functional space that puts you in complete control, turn to the professional line of premium garage storage solutions from NewAge Products. Our Pro Series garage systems are engineered with commercial-grade steel for true heavy-duty performance. Modular design means that cabinets, shelves, slat wall, and accessories fit together perfectly, so you can create a customized solution for your exact needs. Pro Series heavy-duty welded steel cabinets are wrapped in an ultra-tough powder coat paint finish that not only looks great, but also improves corrosion resistance. And unlike rough textured coatings, the smooth, durable surface is easy to keep clean. Pro Series cabinets also have serious weight capacity, providing secure lockable storage with full extension drawers and soft close hardware for a rugged workspace to take on home repairs and outdoor projects. With welded steel frames and double-walled doors, Pro Series lockers handle up to 1,000 pounds of gear and equipment with hanging storage for seasonal outerwear. Complete your workstation with a choice of durable bamboo or classic stainless steel worktop. Then personalize your layout with undermount LED lighting, custom tool tray, and precision-fit slat wall backsplash to build a customized space you need. Our free design service connects you one-on-one with our product experts to create the ideal set for your space. Put open wall space to work with ultra-strong PVC slat wall or premium steel slat wall kits to keep your gear organized and off the floor. Our wide variety of 3-inch on-center slat wall accessories make it easy to organize sports equipment, tools, and yard care supplies. Maximize your space for vehicles with Pro Series ceiling storage solutions. Constructed with a heavy-gauge steel frame and aircraft-grade support cables, these units combine the storage of an overhead rack with the versatility of a wall shelf. Perfect for getting bulky items like tires and bins off the floor. Put the finishing touch on your space with a choice of premium flooring, engineered to handle vehicles, road salt, and all the demands of a serious workspace. When it's time to install, you can do it yourself or let our trained pros handle it. It's your call. NewAge products are designed for ease of installation, but for those who want their build professionally installed, we offer licensed contractors who take care of the heavy lifting and make sure your products are installed perfectly. Simply add your installation at checkout. Take control of your space and get customized storage that works as hard as you do with Pro Series garage solutions from NewAge Products.